We are looking at how to pronounce these names as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing names of public figures, politicians from around the world, and more Russian names too, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. So, it's different how it is said in English and in Russian, so let's have a look how it is said in Russian first. In Russia, they say it as Vladimir Putin. Vladimir Putin. Now, in English, it is either said, in Britain in particular, in British English, as Vladimir Putin. Vladimir Putin, which is quite close to the Russian pronunciation. Now, in the US, it is often pronounced as Vladimir Putin. Vladimir Putin is how it is said in the US, from Russian, Vladimir Putin. And now, you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful, like it at least. It helps me immensely. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching.